Hello friends, now let's all make an electrical circuit and its switch together. First, let's stick our materials onto our cardboard or cardstock base. Let's thread our wires through this. We can use fire to slightly remove the plastic on the wire. If you want, we can tighten this with the help of a screwdriver. Then let's also stick our battery on. When we connect it like this, we see that our lamp lights up. Now let's make a switch for this. What will we use when making the switch? We will use our thumbtacks. Let's put a thumbtack here. Let's remove some of its plastic and wrap it around the thumbtack. Then let's attach the other wire we brought to the other end of our bulb. Now let's see if our switch works. Let's take our paperclip and touch it between the thumbtacks over them. As you can see, our switch is working.